The night sky has captivated humanity for millennia. We gaze up at the stars filled with awe and wonder. They are distant suns, some hosting planets of their own. In this vast cosmic ocean, is it so hard to imagine other beings perhaps more advanced looking back at us? This question, entwined with the thrill of the unknown, lies at the heart of the UFO phenomenon. From grainy photographs to compelling eyewitness accounts, these enigmatic objects have sparked countless debates and inspired a sense of awe and trepidation in equal measure. The idea of life beyond Earth, visiting our planet in sleek futuristic crafts, has captured the imaginations of generations. It's about our place in the universe. It's about the possibility that we are not alone. Join me as we journey through the history of UFO sightings, delve into government investigations, and explore the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial visitors. The term UFO might seem like a modern invention, but reports of unusual objects in the sky date back centuries. Ancient civilizations recorded strange lights and flying objects, often attributing them to gods or celestial beings. However, the modern era of UFO sightings is often traced back to 1947, with Kenneth Arnold's now iconic encounter. Arnold, a private pilot, reported seeing 9 shiny, disc-shaped objects flying in formation near Mount Rainier in Washington state. He described their movement as like saucers skipping on water, giving rise to the popular term flying saucers. Arnold's account, widely publicized by the media, sparked a wave of similar sightings across the United States and around the world. While many of these sightings have been explained as misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or even hoaxes, a small percentage remain unidentified, defying easy categorization. These unexplained sightings, often accompanied by compelling witness testimonies and intriguing radar data, fuel the ongoing debate about the nature of UFOs. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a potential UFO sighting. A strange light in the sky, a fast-moving object that seems to defy gravity. These experiences can be truly perplexing. However, before jumping to conclusions about alien visitors, it's crucial to consider more earthly explanations. Many reported UFO sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, especially military aircraft with unusual designs or flight capabilities. Weather balloons, satellites, and even flocks of birds can also create visual illusions that resemble UFOs, particularly when observed under unusual lighting conditions. Even natural phenomena like meteors, ball lightning, and atmospheric lensing can produce startling visual displays that might be mistaken for something extraterrestrial. While it's important to approach UFO reports with a healthy dose of skepticism, it's equally important to remain open to the possibility that some sightings might defy conventional explanations. These unexplained cases, often supported by multiple witnesses and corroborating evidence, keep the door open to the possibility of something truly extraordinary occurring in our skies. Section 4. The Government Veil, Secrets, and Speculations. The world of UFOs isn't just populated by amateur skywatchers and enthusiastic researchers. Governments around the world, particularly in the United States, have taken a keen interest in these unidentified aerial phenomena. This interest, often shrouded in secrecy, has fueled conspiracy theories and public intrigue for decades. Following the surge in UFO sightings after World War II, the U.S. government launched a series of investigations, including Project Sign, Project Grudge, and the more well-known Project Blue Book. These programs aimed to collect and analyze UFO reports, determine if they posed any threat to national security, and if possible identify their origins. However, the government's handling of UFO information has been met with criticism and accusations of a lack of transparency. Skeptics argue that the government downplayed or dismissed credible UFO sightings to avoid public panic or to protect classified military technologies. The debate over government involvement in UFO investigations continues to this day, with calls for greater transparency and the release of classified documents. Section 5. The Pentagon takes notice. AATIP and the Tic Tac incident. In recent years, the conversation surrounding UFOs has shifted from the fringes of conspiracy theories to the halls of government. The Pentagon, once tight-lipped about its interest in unidentified aerial phenomena, has acknowledged the existence of programs dedicated to investigating these enigmatic objects. One such program, the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, or AATIP, operated from 2007 to 2012, though its existence wasn't publicly revealed until 2017. AATIP's mission was to study and analyze unidentified aerial threats, including reports from military pilots and other personnel. The program gained significant attention after the release of videos captured by U.S. Navy pilots, showing encounters with unknown objects exhibiting seemingly impossible flight capabilities. One particular incident, the 2004 Tic Tac encounter, involved two fighter pilots who observed a white oblong object maneuvering rapidly near the Nimitz carrier group off the coast of California. The object, lacking any visible wings or propulsion systems, displayed agility and acceleration that defied conventional aerodynamic principles. The Pentagon's acknowledgement of AATIP and the release of these videos have added a new layer of credibility to the UFO discussion. Section 6. Beyond Our Planet. The Alien Hypothesis. The most tantalizing question in the UFO debate is, of course, the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Could these unidentified objects be spacecraft piloted by beings from other worlds? While there's no definitive proof to confirm this hypothesis, it remains a compelling and enduring possibility. The vastness of the universe with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars suggests that the conditions for life might exist elsewhere. The sheer scale of the cosmos makes it statistically improbable that we are alone. The 1947 Roswell incident, while often dismissed as a crashed weather balloon, continues to fuel speculation about a government cover-up of a genuine UFO crash. More recently, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb has put forth a controversial theory suggesting that Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to visit our solar system, might be an artifact of alien technology. While the alien hypothesis remains unproven, it continues to drive our fascination with UFOs and our desire to understand our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. Section 7. A Universe of Possibilities, the Final Frontier. The UFO phenomenon, with its blend of mystery, speculation, and scientific inquiry, continues to captivate our collective imagination. While many sightings can be attributed to mundane explanations, a small percentage remain unexplained, challenging our understanding of the world and the vast universe we inhabit. The government's evolving stance on UFOs, from secrecy to cautious acknowledgement, has only deepened the intrigue. As we venture further into the cosmos with advancements in space exploration and technology, we might one day unlock the secrets behind these enigmatic objects. What do you think? Are UFOs simply misidentified aircraft and natural phenomena, or could they be something more extraordinary? The answer, like the universe itself, remains full of possibilities.